Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I am Tina Gell with your 3 add-on kits. So these add-ons are designed to coordinate with your Flavors of the Month kit. There is a cardstock add-on, a pattern paper add-on, and an embellishment add-on. So you can add 1, 2, or all 3 to your kits. These are the perfect way to have more product coming in each month, having your kits go even further, and just having a lot of fun each and every month. So let's go through and take a closer look at each one of these, starting with the cardstock. So you're going to receive 3 sheets of additional cardstock for each one of the 4 collections. So these are not going to repeat with what's in the Flavors of the Month, but it'll give you additional colors. So this is great for backgrounds, matting your photos, doing some digital die cuts. So for Cartabella Family Night, you're going to get 1 sheet of crimson and 2 sheets of powder. For the A Cherry on Top from Fancy Pants Design, you'll get 1 sheet of chiffon and 2 sheets of Tutu Pink. And then the Pink Fresh, My Favorite Story, you're going to get a sheet of Geyser and 2 sheets of Sunflower. For the Simple Stories I Am collection, you'll receive 1 sheet of Raspberry and 2 sheets of Kaiser Scuba. As you can see, they're perfectly coordinated to each one of the collections. You can also see all of the beautiful colors that you're going to be working with this month and how well some of them play together. So don't be afraid to mix and match your kits. For the pattern paper, you're going to receive 2 additional pattern papers for each one of the 4 collections. So again, these are not going to be repeats that's in your Flavors of the Month, but 2 additional pattern papers. So starting with Family Night, we have this one that has all of the slides and then the little families in the center of some of them. So this is a really fun paper. The back has all of these little starbursts on the dark navy blue. This one is called Photo Slides. And we have this paper that has the family on the couch and the chair and at the table, playing Twister, watching TV, putting puzzles together, all of the different things that you do on Family Night. The back is a geometric design on the red. This one is called Making Memories. From the Fancy Pants, A Cherry on Top, we have this one called Waffle Cones, and it's ice cream cones on a pink grid background. The back is a paper that looks like a waffle cone in the kind of beige tan color. Then we have this one called Sweet Treats, and it's a pink and red geometric design, and the back is just a tan solid. For My Favorite Story and Pink Fresh, we have this one called Joyful Heart. It has the rainbows on each corner. So this would be a great paper for background, or you could even cut these apart and re-put them back on like a sheet of cardstock. Use your sewing machine or hand stitch along the design, or if you cut it apart, you could also use this one on one background and that one on another background. That would be a great way to spread this out to a double page layout. So many ideas for that piece of paper. The back is a 2-toned pink polka dot. We have this one called Favorite Story, which is a white and pink floral design. The back is a black and white stripe. For the Simple Stories I Am is this beautiful small print floral, and the back is this really pretty design in the blue, green, and the pink. That one is called Dreaming. We have this one called Amazing, which is the tulips on the gold background, and the back is this beautiful brush script writing. It's amazing, unstoppable, dreaming big, strong, beautiful. So all of those positive words, just really, really pretty. So one more look at your patterned paper add-on. Then for the embellishments, one of the most fun add-ons, I think. So you can just do so much more with it. So for the Family Night, you're going to receive half a pack of the ephemera pieces. So we'll try to lay these out. Lots of options. So these will vary among the kits, but this is a good representation. So lots of big pieces and smaller pieces with words that you could use for the titles. Subtitles, making family memories, family dinner, turn on the stereo and dance, bingo, game pieces. And for a cherry on top from Fancy Pants, you're going to get the chipboard sticker sheet. So let me put that over here. For the Pink Fresh, my favorite story, you're going to get a sheet of the puffy word phrases, and these are just gorgeous. So these will vary, but this is the one that I got. So you'll have one of the two different designs. Those are beautiful. And for the Simple Stories I Am is the 12 by 12 sticker sheet. So we have this leopard print that's a scalloped border in the brown and black. Lots of word labels that Simple Stories is known for. And then the icons. So we have some houses, an airplane, a jacket, beautiful banner with the birds, flowers and butterflies, the little cup and a handbag and the camera. So many awesome icons, and the glasses. So that is a look at the embellishment add-on. So one more look at the 3 add-ons available to coordinate with your Flavors of the Month kit. Be sure to check out the video here of the Flavors of the Month if you haven't already seen it. Check out all the other items available in the store and the other kits. Join us on the Facebook group to play along with some challenges to win some fun prizes and to get all kinds of inspiration from the design team and your fellow subscribers. So thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kids.